how to turn on or turn off voice recordings auto backup on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, we tap on the home button at the bottom to return back to the home screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we scroll down, then tap on accounts and backup. Now in here, go to the Samsung Cloud section and tap on backup data. Then scroll down and tap on voice recordings. Tap on the toggle button to turn on auto backup of voice recordings, or you can switch it off. When we turn it on, it's a last backup on the 30th of April at 11:35 a.m. If you want to perform an immediate backup, you can tap on the backup now button, and that will immediately back up all the settings that you have switched on. And that's it. So now voice recordings has been backed up on the 6th of May. Now you can tap on the stop button to stop any other backup. And that's it. Tap on done to finish. Tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.